Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to find someone on WhatsApp. To do this, you have just to open your WhatsApp account, and after that, to find someone on WhatsApp, you have just to click on the search bar. And here you can type his name. For example, I will write the name Ahmed. And as you can see, it shows me like the people in my contact who are available on WhatsApp and also the people who are not available on WhatsApp. And of course, to find someone on WhatsApp, he should be on your contact list. So if he is not on your contact list, you can't find him until you register his number on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.